Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex. I hope you enjoyed today's Forex trading video.
Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I want to talk about currency selection. Very often traders use the spread as their main base of currency selection. So they would not trade, for instance, the pound New Zealand because it's got a spread of, let's say, 5, and would rather trade the euro because it's got a spread of 1 or 2. So in this video I want to just give you a different perspective on currency selection. There are essentially 3 main factors in currency selection. They are liquidity, volatility, and spread. Now, we don't really, as retail traders, we don't have a problem with liquidity. Your broker will honor the deal that you propose, and normally there shouldn't be a problem with liquidity. Most deals go through instantaneously. So that leaves us with volatility and spread. Now, coming back to my introduction, most traders would immediately say, look, in terms of currency selection, I'll go for the currencies with a smaller spread. But let's have a look at volatility. And the best source of volatility that I've found so far is the MATAF website. It gives quite a nice presentation of currency volatility over a number of weeks in terms of time of day and also day of the week, and also over a number of years. So let's have a look at the information that's available on MATAF. On MATAF, you'll see we have the currencies listed here, and where you see pips, that column represents the average daily movement of that particular currency over the last 10 weeks. And you can change the 10-week period to whatever period you want, and it will give you different statistics. So it's basically saying the AusCAD moved on average 67 pips on a daily basis. Now, if you're going for a trade of 100 pips and the currency only moves 60 pips a day, it's going to be a more risky trade using a currency where the daily movement is, let's say, 180 pips and you're only going for 60 or 100 pips. You're going for half of that currency's daily movement. It is more likely that you're going to get that trade done. Whereas if you use a low volatility currency, you might be stuck in that trade for days and weeks even. So volatility is a very important aspect to trading. Now let's relate volatility to the spread. One of my clients has done an Excel spreadsheet for his particular broker and calculated the value he's getting from the spread that he is paying. Okay, it's a very simple spreadsheet. It's basically got the pairs, the spread, the average spread that he enjoys from his broker, the volatility of the particular currency, and then the value he is getting from his spread. Now, how he calculates the value is very interesting. He takes the volatility and divides that by the spread. In other words, he's saying for every pip of spread, how much movement do I get on a daily basis? So in this case, the pound New Zealand, he's getting 28 pips of movement for every 1 pip of spread. So he is more likely to get a nice strong move on a trade placed using that currency than, for instance, a currency where, and let's go right down to the bottom of the list, the euro franc currency. There the volatility is only 40 pips a day, but you're paying 4 pips for that particular, to trade that particular currency. So you're only getting 9 pips of movement for every pip that you're paying the broker. So compare that 9 pips of movement for every 1 pip you're paying the broker with 28 pips of movement for every 1 pip you're paying the broker for the pound New Zealand. So the conclusion is that one shouldn't base your currency selection only on spreads. You should also take the volatility into account. And certainly at this point, and I know from my personal trading experience, that the pound New Zealand is by far giving the best value from a trading perspective. It's nice and volatile. You pay a bit of a higher spread, but it makes it up for it in its volatility. So the next time you think that a currency has got a high spread, always compare it to the volatility of that particular currency to see how much value you're actually getting from the spread that you're paying the broker. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.
Thanks for watching this video. You can find links and more information about the video in the description. If you found it interesting, please like it and share it with your friends. Also remember to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future Forex trading videos. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.